Emily, we are in desperate need of some rain out there. We just haven't seen very much at all.
No, I think in the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we have seen less than half an inch.
But you said we're going to see some coming up, and hopefully that'll help cool us down a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit, but
we need that.
Not much. I think it may help more so with the drought than cool us down, because we do still have temperatures expected in the 90s. Some locations saw some good soaking showers today, so that was definitely needed, definitely helped. Like, look at Richmond coming in at 1.6 inches of rain just in the past 24 hours. All of that has fallen during the day today. Jackson, 1.4 inches over in Breathitt County. That was included in that severe thunderstorm warning. They saw some very heavy rain. Cynthiana only picking up 1/10 of an inch. Stanford only 2/10 of an inch, and just shy of 1 inch in Danville. They picked up a lot. McKee also 0.8 inches. So again, and you can see there's a lot of places that really just didn't get much rain, including Lexington. We haven't seen a drop officially at the airport today. Somerset has been dry. Liberty still very dry. Whitley City still very dry. So again, we have several more chances, though. You'll see in the 8-day forecast, rain's coming. It's just going to be spotty, like what we've been seeing for the past couple of days, and then even in the past few weeks, where some locations pick up some rain, but it's just not a good soaking steady rain across the entire area, and that's really what we're needing. Couple of problem areas right now sitting right along 75. Rockcastle County, Pulaski, Laurel County still seeing some showers. A good soaking shower right in the heart there of Lincoln County, Garrett County picking up some rain, and then most of those showers pushing out of our viewing area over into eastern Kentucky. There's still hope, though, coming up tonight. We still have that cold front that's going to be dipping down, and it's going to hold those showers mostly over southern Kentucky. But there's still a chance that we could have some showers overnight rolling through around I-64 and north. Again, we are needing to see some of those rain showers right around Lexington. Still very, very dry. And of course, we're still sitting in the drought. So every little bit of rain helps, of course, for us to see that ground kind of moistening back up a little bit more. Things are extremely dry out there. We have that cold front that's going to transition over to a stationary boundary. So it does help us to kind of get rid of some of that humidity, kind of pushes it farther to the south. We're going to see a lot of cloud cover first thing tomorrow. Showers then kind of continuing through about midday, early afternoon. But then we start to see some clearing taking shape later on in the day as that boundary pushes farther to the south. Little bit of sunshine, actually a lot of sunshine coming up for us on Independence Day, and many of us stay dry again. We'll take it just the one day, and then we're back to needing those rain chances through much of next week. Still have the marginal risk in play today. Most of the storms have been sub-severe, but there's been a couple of stronger wind gusts, maybe a lot of lightning and heavy rain, so that SPC still has us under that marginal risk for the rest of today. Still several more chances over the course of the next several days for us to pick up some rain. And there's a lot of rain on the East Coast. That's because we have Tropical Storm Colin moving over South Carolina into North Carolina. Eventually by Monday pushes back out into the Atlantic Ocean. I know we don't want to talk about an active tropical system and season, but it would help us out with the drought if we could see a couple of those storms kind of pushing some moisture our direction. Until then, it's hot again. Tomorrow, 88 degrees, maybe not quite as hot as today. We got into the low 90s. We're back into the low, maybe even the mid 90s through Thursday, and then we'll see a kind of a dip moving in toward next weekend. For tonight, lows will dip down around 70 degrees. Couple of showers still around. Some of those rain shower storms continuing through tomorrow morning, early afternoon, highs around 88, and then that gradual clearing. Independence Day, not a bad looking day, still hot and humid with high temperatures in the low 90s. And then we see through the 8-day forecast those needed rain chances continuing all the way through the end of the work week, with highs eventually back into the mid 80s as we dry out next weekend.